I got no mail. Dude, seriously.
Well, howdy do, mailbox. I got some boarding fees and this horse magazine. Okay, I gotta go saddle up my stallion.
Hola, senorita mailbox. Ooh, I got an invitation to the Mexican fiesta. Ay, caramba.
Scruffy, stay in the yard. Got some bills. I'm not taking them in. I don't want to pay them, but I guess I probably should. Stay in the yard, Scruffy. Bye, mailbox.
Gosh, I gotta get in shape and burn some calories. I got my health magazine, my fitness magazine, and my pregnancy magazine.
Oh, what do we have? Oh, I have a drama in the arts magazine. What's this week's quote? The world is your stage. Shakespeare wrote that. Cool.
I have no mail. I have no friends. How sad.
Oh my gosh, I have like a lot of mail. I have an invitation, another invitation, and a letter from some nerd. And I have, what's this? A secret admirer? OMG, I have a secret admirer. Then again, who doesn't like me? I'm the popularest girl in school. Carlen, did you check the mailbox? No, I didn't.
Look it's in here.
Our camera was in the mailbox the whole time.
And it's recording.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Well, if it's recording, I'm a C.
I'm me.
Peace.
Peace.
I really gotta check this. Yeah.